Hello and welcome to this meditation. I have to say that I wrote this when I was feeling extremely vulnerable and going through a rough time. So whatever you're going through, I just want you to know that you will come out the other end. And as I wrote this and reflected on the words, it really did help bring me into a lighter, calm, open-hearted space. So my intention is to transfer that energy onto you, sending you so much love and so much light and just supporting you. We're going to begin by closing our eyes, making sure you're comfortable. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, and just take a deep breath in. All the way in, filling up your lungs, and exhale, and just let anything go, release, surrender, and just be present. Allow yourself to take in another deep breath all the way in, and this time as you exhale, to see if you can let go just 10% more, just a little bit more. Relax, let go, surrender. So this meditation is gratitude when you're having a bad day, when you're going through something. And we all have those moments where we feel lost, sad, alone, where we feel the heaviness and the weight of the world on our shoulders. And when you're here, it's tough to know what the next step is, how to get out of it. But I just want you to know that these tough times don't last. It's a wave, part of life, it's part of the journey. And who you are faced in these moments will help define and sculpt the strength and resilience within. So no matter how low you're feeling right now, please know that there is a love greater than this low feeling. There is hope greater than this feeling. There is peace greater than this low feeling. I myself find myself feeling like a victim sometimes, where I feel sorry for myself and I look to blame or place others at fault. It's not my fault. They're at fault. It's also in these moments where I know that I need to take my power back and step into my strength. I need to be brave. I need to trust. Losing the victim mentality. You're not a victim. You're a victor, standing in your strength and owning your life. Just taking a deep breath all the way in. Can you face this moment with an open heart? And exhale. Can you allow your heart space to soften and open just a little? Can you send love to those involved in the contribution to your pain? Can you send love? Can you send forgiveness? And if not, that's okay. But can you send yourself love? Send love to yourself. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your heart space to open and feel the love for yourself. You are enough. You are worthy. You are capable. You are brave. You are resilient. Can you trust that everything is unfolding for the betterment of your life? Can you allow yourself to accept the way things are in this moment? Can you accept this moment? Right here. Right now. Can you accept this moment? With your softened heart and love for yourself, can you accept this moment and trust? What are you grateful for right now? Your breath, your lungs, your heartbeat, your home, your loved ones. What are you grateful for? Taking another deep breath in, filling your heart with gratitude. Thank you. As you exhale, just let go and let gratitude in. Allow gratitude to wash over you. Even if it's hard, just imagine a white light showering over you with gratitude and love. Even though it's hard right now, I love and accept myself, and I am grateful. Even though this is hard right now, I love and accept myself. I allow myself to feel peace. Even though this is hard right now, I love and accept myself, and I trust. Even though this is hard right now, I love and accept myself, and I know how resilient I am. And in this moment, as you feel your crown reaching up to the universe, you feel your sit bones grounded, you feel your heart space open, you've let go a little bit and you feel gratitude and love. Ask yourself right now, what vibrational feeling tone do you wish you could be feeling right now? Would it be more peace? Would it be more love, more contentment or acceptance? Well, this feeling is here for you now. What do you wish you could feel right now? Whatever that desire is, allow it. Breathe it in. Don't ignore the core of your hurt and pain. We're not trying to bury it, but we're trying to have duality of yes, I'm hurt, yes, I acknowledge my pain, but I also have gratitude, and I also want to invite love in, peace in. I also want to feel content. I also want to know that this is my life, and I get to create it. Allow both to exist. Allow both to exist. Inviting in the way you wish you could be feeling right now. Even though this is a hard time, I just want you to know that you are loved. Even if it doesn't feel like it right now, you will get through this. Feel whatever you need to feel, but just know there is always something to be grateful for. And with an open heart and an immense amount of gratitude for you, thank you. Thank you for being here. May open your eyes. Take in your surroundings, and I wish you all the best. Namaste.